So childcare and enhancing affordability childcare is a critical issue for the government. The first instance, we wanted to increase the number of places in the National Childcare Scheme, so 35,000 new places. But there's also other adjustments Minister Foley will be able to make in the context of the overall allocations he's gotten for the Department of Children. Obviously we want to go further in future years, but we need to build the capacity of the sector, and that's why there's been double-digit growth for the Department of Children to really focus on capacity in the sector, and that has to be matched obviously with affordability in different budgets as well. So there's over 200,000 people working in the hospitality sector. We know there's serious pressure on many small businesses in our regions and across rural Ireland, and indeed in our cities as well. And I think giving that stabiliser to this hospitality sector is all about protecting jobs, and they're jobs that are vulnerable. And we know other European countries, Germany and others, have also adjusted their VAT rate on hospitality in the context of the pressures that we're seeing. A lot of people work in some of the corporations that are referenced there. Sometimes they're franchises as well, which are owned by people domestically. But there isn't a way to distinguish that in the context of a tax